We spend too much of time and using these mobile phones, and we scroll our social media, we play games, and we do so many other stuffs. Then why can't we utilize this mobile and earn up to 25,000 or maybe to 50,000 just by sitting at home without any effort, without any investment, without any hard work? So it's obvious that when we download a specific app, we have to look at that app ratings and app reviews, because we are going to invest our time in it. So we have to see that whether that contains any malpractice or not, because if it contains, it can steal our personal information and give it to company. So I have researched some of the apps where everything is clear, and I am here to give you some of the 5 apps where every homemaker, every students, every college going students can earn just by sitting at home. It doesn't matter which place you are or at what time you are, you can earn money just like that. Hello there, what's up people, it's me Jai, watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. The first app which I would recommend is Meesho. So this is basically a reselling of products. This is a simple job where every household or housemaid can do it and earn up to 25,000 just like that. So this is basically nothing but just the selling of products. So all you have to do is that install the app and discover some of the products which you want to sell to people. Many products such as fashion products, kids products, all the household products, anything. Third one is that share those products through your WhatsApp or Facebook, and all you have to do is that share to your WhatsApp contacts, and that will let your contacts know that which products you want to sell. And the next one is that after making the deal, you get a commission, which is you get a profit like 20 to 30% of the profit with that product. So this delivery and all these things and all, you don't have to take care, because all this is just done by Meesho app. So this is in fact a best app if you want to actually start a business, and this will literally help every household woman out there, and this is the best option for you. If you have been consistently using Instagram, I think I have a better app for you to earn money just by posting. So for this app, I don't think you have to have much number of followers. All you need to have is 500 followers, where every people who is using Instagram might have. So now what you have to do is that when you have a 500 followers, a brand will come to you and they will tell you that you have to promote that brand. So basically it is the form of becoming influencer, or if you want to become famous in this field, I think this will be a better option for you. So you have to make that post in a certain way that you have to make it so excited that when a user is entering in your profile, they should not scroll down without entering your profile or without noticing that brand. So you have to do is that you have to just keep that post for just 72 hours more, and according to that, according to the brand you are getting, you are paid. So in this thing, you even get some of the exciting prices such as laptops, mobiles, or any other products according to the brands you are promoting. So I think this will be the best option for you if you are a person who wants to become influencer. If you are that student who is working day and night on internships or something, then I have a better app for you, which is Frapp. So this Frapp app is basically about you getting money through doing some of the tasks which is given in that app. So this is basically an working experience also. So after finishing the college, this can be applicable mostly to college students. After finishing this college, when you apply for a job, then you will ace that, because you can get money through the internships which is given in this app. So there are so many courses if you want to apply for it, such as volunteer work or take it as event management. You will actually find according to your interest. So if you want to earn money while studying in college, just like an internship, I think this Frapp app is just the best app for you. It helps students to get work experience specially, and it will provide you much of the rewards by completing some of the tasks which is present in that app. And you can apply for this just by entering your ID card of the college which you belong to, and you just have to make a perfect and a great resume so that you can do some of the tasks and money. You can just earn money just by completing the task which is present in that app, and after finishing it you will be getting some of the cash prizes and rewards which will help you later in your jobs. Do you like clicking photos? Then you can just earn money by selling those photos to some of the app called Foap, or Foap.com. So all you have to do is that there is a mission called Foap mission. You have to enter yourself in that contest and you have to provide some of the pictures to them. So these pictures are basically used to such as ads or some of the presentations or some of the things which we normally see in our social media. So when you give your photographs, they actually tell you that you have to enter into the contest, and if you reach in the top level then you actually get amounts such as 50,000 just by selling your photos which you like taking photos. Basically you get $5 for each photo. So $5 you can check how much it is. And also not only this, if you are in a high level or high position, you can get up to $100 to $200 per photo. And if you think that you can just download the pictures from Google and then you can post it, then I think you're 99% wrong, because all you have to do here is that you have to give a clear photograph, that is an original photograph. So when you automatically take that photograph from other platform, then obviously it is noticed, then it will be no profit for you. The next app which I want to tell you is Rozdan. The name itself says that everyday money. So this is one of the first app where you can just earn money just by doing nothing, just by doing the normal things which you usually do in your mobile phones. So you have to download the app. So it is basically nothing but you will get a chance to collect some of the coins. So that coins will be changed into rupees and you can withdraw that rupees when you reach 200 rupees. So all you have to do is that you have to do daily check-ins, read some of the articles, play some of the games or read news just like you are doing in your normal life in the mobile phones. So when you get to do some of these tasks, you get coins. So when you get too much amount of coins, that coins is reduced in the form of money and you can get that money through Paytm, of course. And the main thing is that when you install the app itself, you get rupees 25, and when you share it to other people and when they start downloading those apps, you get extra 25 rupees, which just easily makes 50 rupees, and that can literally you can use it in your data or the internet which you want to use, and you can just enjoy watching movies or doing anything which you like. So these are the apps which I want to tell you in this video, guys, that I have just came across these apps. So I just thought that why can't I tell about this to you guys. So if this is fine, if you find this helpful, just mention it down how you find this app to be helpful. If you have not used, also just mention it. I know you won't mention it, but I have to say it for the formality. So thank you so much for watching. I am hoping that if you use this app, at least not the big amount of money, but at least some amount of money which you can spend in a day-to-day life, you will surely get it. And if any more thing you want to tell, just can mail me. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and you can subscribe down the channel if you have been watching my videos for a long time. And if this video is helpful, thank you so much for watching till the end of the video, and that's all I want to tell you in this, guys. Until the next video. That student who is not doing any, helps students to earn. It helps students to, you have